Oh, hi y'all. It's nice for y'all to join me today. For I'm just going to do a little project. In fact, I don't even know if this is going to make it to the channel or not. But just getting started, it is a good way for me to keep track of what I've done if I'm pulled off to have to do something else. It's easier for me to just check my videos and come back to where I was. What we got is this real nice little dinette table with dinette chair. Well, one of the other chairs kind of bunged up. It broke. So I gotta fix it and get it back to better than new. So that's what the project is today. So let's go on, step outside and get started. Alright, well, I got my workstation out here in my shop set up. As you can see, I can watch a little fishing and hunting on YouTube if I want to. Well, this is what the project is. And if occasionally y'all hear me get winded, well, there's reason for it. The channel is called Texan Over 70, What's Left. Well, what's left is sometimes you get your ass sick. And it just don't take long for all your energy to leave you. And that's another story on later down the road, because haven't done much on my YouTube channel and I need to get started again. But I'm getting energy so I can get started. Anyway, the back separated from the seat, or seat separated from the back, however you want to look at it, what's empty or whether it's full. And so what I'm going to go, Dixie's already pulled some of the upholstery off or away. We're preserving everything we can. And I'm going to make it better than new, hopefully. So let me get the rest of the upholstery pulled so you can see what we got and get some tools together. Let's get to work. Okay, everyone, this is what we have. This is where the back actually flipped like this and came off. So right now, this is got separated some of the upholstery so that I could see what we got here. I say, when we got home from our glass trip, I tried to repair it, but the repair wasn't very good. And these are my pocket hole screws that you can see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, and this piece right here, all this, these arms are really in good shape. I'll trim them up. So I'm going to get it, I'm going to leave this alone, and I'm going to start with the base. But first I'm going to get this one cleaned up a little bit. So let me get started on that. I need some tools.
That's a better one. No, maybe not. Yeah.
Okay, let's get these screws out of here. got my long shaft square head
Alright.
driver on it because I sure do like it better, but it looks like I may have to go back to short shaft.
Okay, buddy. Who wants to go? So,
Oh, wrong way. I won't go no deeper.
tell me there's so.
Alright. Here's my magnetic tray.
Back-to-back cast.
Just throw them in that. And if you hear the noise in the background, that's my YouTube channel. I'm watching people fish around
Nice.
Port Aransas and Rockport, Freeport, Freeport too.
Best fish of the day?
Hopefully planning on making a short run to
22.
Port Aransas area. Once I get what I need done here, take the camper and go. So, let's see. Got some wood here with some staples in it. May have to pull them. Alright, then go get some more tools. Pull out what I need. And that way, I'm not pulling out everything, don't need nothing.
Yeah.
Okay, I went and got me a few of my chisels. Let me get this truck shaft one in. So all I'm going to do is try and clean this up a little bit. If it don't work, I'll just you'll get the old sander buffer. And but I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it. That way it's time to finish everything up. It's cleaning up pretty good.
What's going on, guys?
Takes the humps out anyway. That's all I'm on.
We're throwing some top waters,
Glued up
some
stuff.
plastics, targeting some more redfish.
Alright.
Working this flat, working these pockets. It is a real
Let's
calm
see.
day.
Oh, good
Absolutely
piece here.
perfect conditions. A little bit of boat traffic at spring break, but I think we're ready to go some redfish.
Good piece.
I finally picked up a second GoPro.
Come on.
Got Aaron wearing it, so we got two POVs.
That's what happens most times. You get in awkward positions. Can't get what you really want.
Working these top waters, we're both on nice and
There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is.
Setup I'm using is on a 7-foot medium water Alabama custom rod with a 25 pound beneath it, 15 pound braid, 25 pound leader.
That's what I need to do right there.
Walking dog.
Okay.
Oh, that's a nice one.
I guess we can go ahead and just kind of
Yeah.
lay this to the side.
Come on, guys. I know there's
We got it pretty much.
I'll give it a rat. Tighten the drag a little bit. Trout, right? Oh, that's a nice trout. Oh, that's a, oh man, one minute.
That looks like a piece of metal. Maybe you see it tipping in my screw. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and set this aside. Alright, here comes the roughing.
Good, what, 20? Next one, okay. Kind of missed the milk.
Is this the one we got to get these screws out?
Oh yeah, she's good. Nice.
If you can see them, right in there. That's going to be a difficult part, so pick these up out of our way because we don't need them.
What is it?
And let's see what we can do here.
See if I can get one. Dude, yes, they're still right here.
What I think I'm going to do, first thing, take off some of this backing, take some of the backing down. So, let me see what I can find to do that with. Back to the toolboxes. Okay.
Bro. Chase it all the way to us. Oh, yeah. Chase it close, right? There we go. Number 2, baby. Smaller fish. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yep, that'll work. Gonna take some time, but that'll work.
Dude, I thought I had scared the mullet, but it was the red coming after it, dude. Nothing better than dude, he's big. Nothing beats record. Which way he's wrapped. She's running like crazy. He's wrapped. That's why it's feeling so. But it's up underneath.
Well, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll come get y'all when I get this to where I think I've gone far enough down. Alright? So, we'll see you in a minute.
Let's go. Limit it out.
Well, maybe we'll be long. Okay. I'm back on this project again. Not too sure where we left off the last time. But I've been procrastinating, and I had some other little ones I needed to take care of, or other stuff I need to take care of. So today is finish day. Get it where I want it, to where it will last. So my problem is where to put the supports. So here we go again. Let's start this over again. Alright. I'm going to take this off. Now, where to put the supports. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Okay. If you can see that pile of staples right there, that's what I've been working on. I mean, there's a pile of them. But I think we've got it to where it is enough to where we can now do some sort of tie back with a bungee cord or something and keep this out of our way while we figure out how to get this seat all nice and repaired. Back to working again. Okay. Let's see what that does. And then make sure I put it back together right here a minute ago. I didn't do it right. Let's see. And it's going to go right in this area. I think. We'll tap in here. Okay. All right. Let's see what I can get done here. All right. Let's see what I can come up with. Okay. That's workable. Now let me see if I can find some material. Okay, what I did while the camera was off, I come in and I put me, of course, I tightened it up, glued it as good as possible, this piece here, the main frame. And I come in and I cut me thick piece of wood. Oh, that is about. Oh, 7/8 thick, and made me a strip, and then attached it to the main frame so that it won't move backwards. Hopefully this will work. Now I'm going to come in and I'm going to come in with some plywood and get a piece of plywood so that this will level out, and then come in and reinforce the back here. Anyway, that's the plan. Hopefully it'll work.
Over to Team Ferguson, trying to fight their way back above the elimination. They briefly held the lead.
Okay, here is the dinette chair in the station area, which is for my wife to go ahead and reupholster it. Got the braces on, the brackets on, and we'll see how it turns out. But right now, sitting in it, it's comfortable, stable, and I think it's going to work. Anyway, I'll show you the finished chair when she gets through putting the upholstery back on. Have a good one.